Hi, my name is Prashaant Huria. I work for AstraZeneca and I'm responsible for IT for all of the enabling units, mergers and acquisitions, and research and development. I'm here today to talk about data and the impact, challenges, and opportunities across research and development value chain. Well, patient scarcity is clearly a challenge, to find the right patients, especially given that we're looking at more and more in the specialty care and the specialized medicines. You are, sub-stratifying effectively patient population to target specific, populations, which means that populations harder to find and to tap into. Along with, if you look at the industry right now, we have more than 4,000 assets in drug development as an industry. I was reading the other day, I think on clinicaltrials.gov, there are 60 million patients available. So you just have to do the maths and you have to sub-stratify the populations to apply the assets that are going to be approved, to those patient populations. It's harder and harder, obviously, to find and recruit the right patients. So patient scarcity is clearly is a challenge. Well, I think before we address the question of a massive shakeup, I think we need to think about how we can draw on the advanced analytic techniques and the power of data that we have available, all the way from real-world evidence to combining that with multi-omics data, proteomics data, genomics, biomarker data, etc., with the data that we already have on clinical trials. And with that insight, we can effectively then go on to the kind of next stage and start to answer the question around what next. Well, I think first is tech. Clearly, there are a lot of tech companies out there, new data companies also emerging. So there's a lot of access to data. We have the expertise, obviously, in a pharma company, and I think we're collaborating, and the tech company is also quite keen to collaborate. There is the aspect of people. Clearly, there's the patients are empowered, and the society is completely changing to, I wouldn't call it completely self-medication, but they are, with the internet, with everything that's available, the power is in the hands of the people. And there's a lot of data that's already been generated and available and digitally available now. And then lastly, I think it's the regulatory aspect, which is really around FDA and FDA program to develop advancement of digital health application. And they've set up a department to obviously look at that, and along with changes in the real world evidence considerations for drug development as well. So combination of the three around tech, people, and regulations, regulatory. I think it's a fantastic opportunity.